Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how omega-3 fish oil is made. The journey begins with selecting specific fatty fish, like anchovies or sardines, known for their high omega-3 content. These fish are then processed through a series of steps to carefully extract their valuable oils. This industrial method ensures the purity and concentration of the beneficial fatty acids we seek. Understanding this process helps appreciate the quality of the supplements we consume. After the initial cooking, the fish material is pressed, much like making olive oil, to separate the crude oil from the solid fish meal and water. This pressing is crucial for efficient oil recovery. Following this, the crude oil undergoes centrifugation, a process that spins the mixture at high speeds to separate remaining water and fine solids, yielding a cleaner, more concentrated oil ready for further refinement. The extracted oil then undergoes a rigorous refining process to remove any impurities, heavy metals, and undesirable odors, ensuring a clean and palatable product. A key step is molecular distillation, which uses vacuum and heat to separate and concentrate the omega-3 fatty acids, like EPA and DHA, from other fats. This advanced technique is vital for achieving high-potency supplements, delivering maximum health benefits. Finally, the highly concentrated and purified omega-3 fish oil is typically encapsulated into softgels, making it easy and convenient to consume daily. These supplements provide a reliable way to ensure you're getting enough of these essential fatty acids, which are crucial for heart and brain health. For more insights on financial well-being, check the description for a link to a great book and other valuable deals. Remember, quality matters for your health and your wealth.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.